Mic check, mic check. 1, 2.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope we are having fun today. If you're having fun, make some noise. It's time for premium entertainment. We'll have lots of performing artists tonight. Ladies and gentlemen, if you want to see Ijele, one of Africa, make some noise. Ijele is in the building. Of course, Phil Final is in the building. Umo Believe is in the building. We have Fancy Papaya. KC Limpopo is in the building tonight. The band, are you ready for Umo Believe? Yes, sir. DJ, are you ready for Umo Believe? We are ready. If you're ready, of course, I'm ready. Permit me to introduce to you your own, my own, our own, all the way from the music world. I introduce to you Umwabili. That's the arrival of Kibana Chief Priest. Hi, Chief Pascal Okechuku. Of my kid man's I see so much in a material shop. And you went material shop, then they're going to buy you a spell. You're highly welcome. A bosom friend to the global star 001. David Adeleke. How is your vesting, Kibana Chief Priest? You're highly welcome. That's the arrival of Kibana Chief Priest. You're welcome, sir. Back to back, ladies and gentlemen. It's American Rangola, the great philanthropist of our time. Financial goodness, I'm going to do it. You're highly welcome, Abatiego. The ushers make sure he's seated. As far as you're highly welcome, sir. You're highly welcome. Who more believe when I warm up? You know, my own senior brother. A big one point number. Oh, Batuna, the one of Kita Talogede. My own senior brother. No, the German CEO, Big League Oil and Gas. You're highly welcome. Nukumade. Not in there. Alongside of Kwakia, High Chief Wobin, the President General Cubana Group of Company. All a Yankee. All that below you 1 year, you're highly welcome, senior brother. Address in Doba. Ushers, make sure Big Cubana is settled. Who will believe will keep coming on? You perform now. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to enjoy good music. It's time to party like never before. Exactly. Let's make welcome. South Africa. Central Bank in the world. Survivor, Noka. Look what we get to do. The CEO, Test of an African Lounge. And Club is Survivor, Abuja. You're highly welcome. Not written there. The band are you ready for? Right about now. One of the greatest exports from the east of Africa. One of the great musicians. Yes. One of the great performers. Okay. Ladies and gentlemen, are you ready for the best tour? Yes. Let's make welcome. The SOP, son of the prophet. Hi! The CEO SOP Group of Companies. The makers of SOP table water. SOP serviette. SOP tissue. SOP sanitary pad. The happy Seji Kappa. The SOP. Norine. Ezimbo Wakamo. Norine. Alubundi channel when I can Africa. Alubundi Chakamona is so Mahamra Namuna get one to bed to go. As from Yawudala. What's it from? DSOP, ladies and gentlemen, I believe we are all settled. You go off your son, no guard. Ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome. The CEO of Upper Park Machinery. What a water. Good morning, South Africa. Good afternoon, Lagos. Hi! What about no. We're very shy. If I maybe who more believe when I warm up, guess Limpopo also be warming up. Yes. Tata Bukata. This is the gathering of billionaires. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the arrival of High Chief Tochukwu SSC.
You're highly welcome, sir.
Akuladri Bataja.
You're highly welcome, sir.
I'm not reading that.
Ayana Kwana.
Men too.
Premium entertainment.
Anyayana Kwana.
Abani Abanana.
Anyayana Kwana.
You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome.
Not reading that.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's make welcome Umo Believe.
High Chief
Ebony State person.
the enviable transport.
Good morning, Lagos. Good afternoon, China. Good evening, US. The enviable tricycle. Enviable, you're highly welcome.
Not written there, not written there.
Okay, later. Okay, back later.
Also, ammonia. Also, no money.
Give you a good anacolo. Dr. Money, the biological son of Dr. Money Ego na Malaysia. Dr. Money Ego na Anacolo Kisi. Thank you very much, you're highly welcome.
Not written there, not written there.
Ide Fukwanyega for Entourage Money. That's the arrival of the CEO, GIE Logistics. Logistics made easy.
Not written there, not written there, not written there.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have wasted much of your time. Let's make welcome the best musical duo.
Yes!
Umo Believe!